Welcome to the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. The week started off with a wild Monday. On Monday, the Dow erased a 500-point drop to close up 34 points. Qualcomm won an important ban on iPhones in China. It's hard to not link this to last week's arrest of Huawei's CFO, Miss Meng. Uber followed Lyft and also filed for an IPO on Monday. The two most recognizable ride-sharing companies are set to go public, and the UK delayed its Brexit vote. Theresa May believed the deal she struck with the European Union wouldn't pass in its current form. The market volatility continued on Tuesday. The Dow closed down 53 points, but was up as much as 360 points at one point in the day and as low as 202 points at another point in the day. The market was plagued by ongoing trade worries and possible government shutdown. Google CEO was on Capitol Hill answering questions regarding privacy legislation, and in earnings news, Dave & Buster's beat EPS estimates by 6 cents and revenue estimates by $4.6 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 157 points. The index spent much of the day much higher, but was unable to hold the gains into the close. In other news, Tencent Music Entertainment made its debut. The stock was up 7%. Lowe's announced a $10 billion stock repurchase program, and the former attorney of President Trump was sentenced to 3 years in prison. Talk about tweets you wish you could take back. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 70 points. In a relatively quiet day in the markets, Robinhood, the commission-free trading app, announced that they'll offer checking and savings accounts with 3% interest. And in earnings news, Adobe missed EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $10 million. Costco also missed EPS estimates by a penny, but beat revenue estimates by $360 million. On Friday, the Dow closed down 496 points. The markets are still bearish on slowing global growth. In other news, Johnson & Johnson shares sold off as reports came out that the company was aware of asbestos found in its baby powder products. Overall, the markets closed down for the week. The last time the Dow spent this much time below its 200-day moving average was early 2016. If you're a breakout or breakdown trader, a short opportunity is coming up in the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. In crypto news, Bitcoin continues to slide and was trading at $3,166 at the time of this recording. Where will Bitcoin bottom out? Ethereum was trading at $82.43, Litecoin was trading at $22.61, and Ripple was trading at 28 cents. Crude oil traded sideways during the week, but closed the week at $51.22, slightly below last week's close. A big winner for the week, MOGU Incorporated, which increased 51% from last week's close. A big loser for the week, Johnson & Johnson, which dropped 10% on Friday alone. Our latest quarterly newsletter is available at civilreport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Thanks again for checking out the Civil Reports Weekly Market Wrap-Up, and this channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.